If you've ever transacted on the Ethereum network, you know the network can sometimes feel slow or have high fees. Because of that, Koala Wallet is giving you extra control over your transactions. Let's go over how to use Koala's advanced settings in practice. To choose your fees, enter the destination address and amount as usual, and press continue. By default, the gas price will be set so the expected confirmation time is within a minute. You can use the slider to fine-tune its priority, or enter any gas price you want. The higher the price, the higher the transaction fees, and the faster it will confirm. A transaction with low fees can take a long time to confirm depending on network congestion. Sending a game with the default settings won't help. That's where the advanced settings come in. One thing they can do is speed up a pending transaction. To replace an unconfirmed transaction, open its details and note its nonce value. Now start sending a new transaction. You can set any amount and any destination, even 0 Ethereum to your own address if you no longer want to send anything anywhere. You just have to open the advanced settings and use the same nonce value that you noted earlier. Everything about the new transaction will take precedence over the old one with the same nonce. Now continue and choose a gas price higher than the one used in the original transaction. When the new transaction confirms, all others with the same nonce will become invalid and be marked as replaced. That's how you take full control over your transactions with Koala Wallet. Feel free to check our channel for other video tutorials and have a great day.